Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 7th, 2022. We have here 7 puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So a total of 7 extra puzzles. I've already solved the first one, the 3 stars, and it's time now for the 4 stars. Number, this will be number 4815. 4815. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. And it's an indication of the difficulty level of a puzzle. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, you can say. But sometimes, if you have a lot of pairs or a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. Yes, so you cannot always say it's easier or it's difficult than the one with more or less printed digits. It depends. All right, so let's get started. By the way, for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. 3 ones we have here. We have 3 twos. We have here 4 threes. Okay, 4 threes. 1, 2, 3, 3 fours. 1 5. 2 sixes. 3 sevens. 3 eights, and 1 9. So the threes are a majority, I believe. Yes. Can I start with the 3? That's the question. No. Need more information. Well. No. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so here cannot be a 3 anymore. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 3. Now I need to wait. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in the last row should be here. 2, 6. No. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this column. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 6. Alright, 6 in this column, last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be down. Then. Let me see. 8. Yeah. 4. I'm scanning. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Alright. Then. Okay. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. I'm scanning. 1, 1. Well, yeah. Scanning. 7. Where's the opening? 3, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. Here we have a 9 and 8, 3 and 4. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, we have a pair, 7 and a 5 in this row. Last row, 7 and a 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. We have a 5 there. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those boxes. Here, pair. A lot of pairs. There, pair. Wow. Alright, you need to find the pairs here. Okay. Then. Let me see. Where's the opening? 6, 3, 4. 8 should be here. Yeah. 8 in this column. 8 in the third column. So the column between, only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left. Here we have a 9 and a 5. In this big square, we have the missing numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6, okay. 3. Interesting. The 2 in this column, the 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in this column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now, the 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in this middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row, 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 1. Oh, wait. Then. We have a 2 in this column, the 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column. The 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. Alright. 9, 5, 6, 9. And now. 3, 4. Yeah, 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. I've marked these 2 boxes. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4 are missing. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4 here. So the 4 goes there. Alright. 4, 4. Then. How about the 7, 7, 7? Okay. Need to think. Yeah. How about? Yeah. 6, 9, and 5. Here I need the 5. I need the 5 here. 5, 9, 6, 9. Come on. Where is the opening? The opening. Here. Not. Here I cannot. Here I cannot. Well. Let me put some numbers. It's taking too long. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here. Could be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, the first row. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4 a few seconds ago. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay, so the 1 and the 5 are left here. 9, 5, 7, 5. We have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 now. So this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. 6 and a 9, now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore, that box should be 9, and this box should be a 6. Alright, one box left in the first column for the number, I believe the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third column, 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 1, 1, okay, 1 and a, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. The 1 and the 5, I believe. The 1 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 now in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row, so the row we 3 in the second row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Let me see. The blah, blah. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, second row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers now. In the middle column, the 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We have a 8 in this row. So no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. He's missing the 6, the 7 and 8. This missing 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. He's missing the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, is this really a 4 stars? No. A 3 stars then. No, let me give this a 2 stars, because for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes. A 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. A 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And a 4 stars need more than 30 minutes. Well, this is definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.